everybody, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my wrinkly tablecloth over here. Okay, I know I haven't been keeping to my promise of doing at least one video a week. It's been super crazy. I've been working a lot of overtime, and on my days off all I want to do is relax. So I haven't been doing too much diamond painting. When I am diamond painting, I'm working on my mother-in-law's birthday gift, so trying to get that done. I've only got just a little over a month to get that done, but I want to go ahead and make a few videos. This is not all going to be done in one. I'm going to do each unboxing. I've got 4 paintings from Diamond Art Club I'm going to unbox. 3 of them are Hannah Lynn, 1 is a Mandy Manzano, and they're all going to be done separately, so you'll see some videos sprout up a couple days throughout the next couple of weeks. I have not worked on Rhiannon since my whip and chat, so I stopped. So what you saw was all I've done. But there are some loud birds outside. I don't know if you can hear them, probably not, but okay. But I'm going to do this one. I'm not going to give you the preview because I want you to be surprised. I have not seen this unboxed anywhere, so I will, if it has been unboxed somewhere and you feel inclined to let me know, please do so. So I apologize for the person who's already unboxed it. I haven't seen it, so it's where it is. This one is a Hannah Lynn. I had one where the buy one get half off sale that they had a little while ago, a while back. I've had this for a while. It's not even, I only just now got it out of the the big box. So, all right, let's see what we're looking at here. There's my canvas, and there's drills, toolbox, and sticker sheet. I don't want to show the sticker sheet because the sticker sheet has the picture on it, so again, it's going to be a surprise. So this is one that I have seen a couple of people do cross stitch from Heaven and Earth Designs. So, alright, y'all know the typical Diamond Art Club kit. So we got a tray, we got a squishy, we got a pin. I don't like to say squishy, I'm sorry. We got a pin cushion, whatever you want to call it, and 2 deals of wax. You'll have seen all these before. There's no sense in going through all that. Okay. Here's our drills, just 1 package of drills. I will say that this painting is a 44 by 66 round with AB drills. So, and there are 33 colors. Quite a bit of black because if anybody knows Hannah Lynn, she does do very heavy black outline in her pictures. So, did I say round? These are round. I just say round, right? Yep. I'm also doing something quite a bit different with my drills. That's probably going to freak out a lot of people when I show them, but I'm actually going to film a video on that as well. And so, let's just show these real quick. Wow. Okay. So, like I said, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of black drills. So, like I said, she does heavy black outline. So there's some pinks and some peaches, some light browns, tan. Get a little bit closer. I like pink, so I'm happy that there's some pink. there is one of the color drills. I think that's the same color that was in the Wolf Dream Catcher that I did for my son. So there's some of the drills. And we got some teal and some purple and some red. See if I can locate the other AB. I don't know if there's one. Nope, there's another AB. So there is an orange AB. So yep, and some that's got very few. So anyway, I didn't want to delve too much into that. I didn't want to make these videos too long. So let's take a look at the canvas. I'm going to stand up. So and I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to roll it back the opposite way so that it will open up. There's instructions. Okay. So this is what we got. This is April Fairy. She's very pretty. Very pretty. Ooh, ah, pretty. I like you. Okay. Again, this is round. Very sticky. Again, there's 33 colors, 2 AB colors. And this is a 47 by 66. She really comes across good there on the film. And since this didn't take very long, I might go ahead and do another one. Do 2 in one video. So, but yeah, there she is. I have no idea when I'm going to put her into my rotation. So, okay, since it's sunny, here's her sticker sheet. There's a better picture of her. Again, this is April Fairy. Artwork by Hannah Lynn. So, all right, let's go ahead and roll her back up. I'm going to put her back in her box because I don't want anything to happen to her until I get a chance to work on her. Okay. See if we can get her drills back. Probably won't be able to, but we'll see. I didn't check to see if there was any more that had double. Well, that one looks like a double. Okay, there's 2 of the 353, which I'm assuming is the main color in her face. I'm assuming that. We'll see if it's true or not. So, okay. Sorry for the crinkling. I'm gonna put these back in here so they don't get lost. Now, I sent a message to Diamond Art Club because I'm still wanting to get Trixie from Hannah Lynn. So last time I asked him, I believe it was in January, I asked him if they knew when Trixie was going to come back into stock. And at that time they said they wasn't sure of an ETA. but I texted him yesterday or the day before, and they said that they are expecting Trixie back in stock on mid-May. So that might be when a lot of their out of stock items come in. So I am anxiously awaiting that because I really want Trixie. So, oh, don't forget my toolkit. So let's open up another Hannah Lynn. This was the other one that I got out of the buy one get one half off. I think from the last time I said buy one get one free, but it's actually buy one get one half off. So this one is a 59 by 42 square. So toolkit. Canvas. Drills, and this one does not have a sticker sheet. So maybe there is a inventory sheet in the inside the painting. We'll see. Okay. Again, heavy 310s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 310s. A lot of teals, a lot of greens. I don't want to go through them all. I'm sorry, guys. That just takes too long. We'll see them when we box it up, right? Or when we kit it up. So, hope y'all don't feel like I'm cheating or anything. So again, this one is it's a square one. Guys, I really just want to get to the picture, get to the fun part. Once again, it is 59 by 42. And this one's kind of landscape. Oh, there is a sticker sheet. Okay. It's just wrapped up inside. Oh, did you catch it? Did you see what it was? This one does have a sticker sheet. There's 35 colors. This one's a landscape one. It's not a portrait. It's a landscape one. So, this one has a lot of greens. So, let's see. Throw it back the other way. Her face is 754. I'll have to check and see if that is what it is in the other one as well. Ta-da! Fifth one is Dahlia. Don't close up on me. You want to see that pretty dragonfly. Look how beautiful she is. She is outstanding. You see y'all the black and everything. So I'm actually doing a Hannah Lynn cross stitch that I would love doing diamond painting, but it's not available in diamond painting at the moment. Hopefully, maybe someday soon. Looks like there are 3 AB colors in this one. So that ought to be fun. So, I'll show you the sticker sheet so you can see the picture. There you go. That is Dahlia. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close this one up. And let's see. No, I'll do the next two because I think they're a little bit bigger. So I'll do the next two in their own video. So So there'll be 3, this one plus 2 more unboxing videos coming up. So keep an eye out on that. Again, there are the drills. Pretty colors. Again, there's 3 AB colors. Squish, 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 squish. Squish, squish, squish. Squish, squish, squish. Put this in here. This will all get reorganized anyway. So with my new organization thing that I'm doing, that I'm going to show everybody, that everybody's probably going to freak out when I show them. They'll be like, no, what are you doing? We don't do that. Well, you might not do that, but I've been doing it, and there's a method behind the madness of what Susan does. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out on the other 2 unboxings. Hopefully they will be released also this week. So, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.